at a GFCI outlet right here. We have everything plugged in, and we have our two amber lights on.
Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Sperry GFCI outlet tester. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Check it out. You can see how everything looks. So on both sides, we have a nice color-coded key for us to let us know if we have the correct wiring or if we have a reversed wire or an open connection on our outlet. So again, identical on both sides, except on this side, you can see we have our press for GFCI test button and all of our indicator lights down here with the Sperry logo and branding. So now let's go ahead and try it out.
All right, so you can see we're at a GFCI outlet right here. We have everything plugged in, and we have our two amber lights on, letting us know that everything's wired correctly. Now let's go ahead, let's test the GFCI outlet. So there you go. Now you can see the lights shut off and everything is working as expected. We can go ahead, we can reset it, and then you can see everything is back to normal.
Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.